Okay, I just turned it on. All right, today's still Saturday, the 25th of July, 2025. The 12th of July. Saturday, 12th of July, 2025. That's mark on the doll. I'm out it. I'm feeling it. So here, we're in the Nature Center in Fairmont, Minnesota. And here we're going over a bridge. Over here, it's a little lake here. This one it has a lot of algae in there. And a lot of algae in this part here. Anyway, I'm crossing the bridge. And we're going this way. That's where we just came from, that way. And now we're going this way. Now we're going this way. There's another way there, but we're going this way. This is very lots of nature over here. Lots of nature. Huh? Okay. It's a little bit muddy right here, kinda. bench right here. All right, a little glimpse of the river right here. A little glimpse of the river. Let's call it Straight River. All right. Just came back from there. There's a river on that side, and going this way. So that's sanding. And there's another glimpse of the river. Oh, nice. Oh, nice glimpse of the river right here. Yeah, a nice glimpse of the river right here. A tree, a nice shady tree. Nice shady tree over here. And nice glimpse of the river here. Say something. You're on camera. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, we're trying to rest up a tiny bit. I'm sitting on the bench here. That's me. That's my feet right there. And that's Mark. We're sitting on the bench and just taking in the river right now. It's really nice. Literally taking it in right here. So, it's very nice. And it's nice shade. We're under a nice shady spot right here. Nice shady spot right here. Yeah, nice shady spot right here. Yeah, that's my feet right there. That's Mark. And that's where we're going next. We just came from that way. And now we're gonna keep going this way. Alright.
Ready to get up?
Alright, ready? Alright, we're taking off now. Alright. Taking off. There's another bench there for sitting down and resting when you get tired. And over here it's more of the woods. Over here, more of the, that's why it's called Nature Center. It's nothing but nature. Nice river. The water is very nice too. Yeah. There's a little spot up there that you could literally swim in there. Maybe one of these days we'll come and swim in the water. One of these days. We weren't planning on doing it today. Alright, so we see more of the river here. Walking along the river here on this part of the trail. So yeah. Alright. And can you switch for a little bit? You hold this the same way, and just for a little bit, and then I'll take it back from you a little bit. Just keep going. Then you can get me. Wednesday we come down here and swim right here by the river. Yeah. Nice. So we keep walking. Want me to switch back? Now you go. Another bench. Sitting down. There's the river. Nice. Beautiful insects, dragonflies. Look at the color. See if I can capture them right this oh, all kind of beautiful dragonflies, different colors. Oh, somebody's down there. Somebody down by the river. There's people down there on that side. There's actual people down there on that side of the river. Onward. Onward, onward. 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 This is as exotic as you can get it over here. Over here is as exotic as you can get it over here in Minnesota. If you're about Minnesota, it's just a nature center. This is as exotic as you can get it right now. And then over there is a river, a straight river. You going back by the river? All right. I'll come over here. Get a nice picture. Yam vine, look like yam vine. See this thing look like yam vine? Yeah. Look like yam vine. Wow. Oh. Oh. There's Mark. That part break off right there. Right across the banks. Over there is a...
Used to be a fashion.
Yeah, they took it out because the thing broke off.
Eroded.
It eroded, so that's probably why they took it off. There's no bench there now.
It's one of my spots, though.
Yeah, it's one of our favorite spots.
Yeah.
We used to sit here when Frank and Rosie came with us.
Yeah.
We sat on the bench right over here. It's eroded though.
When I was single, I used to come here all the time.
Oh really? Oh. Oh. Huh. I only came here after we got married. That's the first time. Well, did I come here before? No, after. Into this spot.
You might have seen it.
Yeah, I don't remember. Okay. Memory lane. Go back down memory lane. So we did a big loop today. It's a big loop. This is no point, pian, pian. This is a big loop here. This is a big loop right here. This is no pian, pian. Oh, you pick. This way. Yeah, we haven't been this way in a long time. So, we haven't been this way in a long time. All right. Here we go. On a big loop. There's a river over there. And here we are. We don't do this loop very often. So, take advantage right now. You need to sit down, honey?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. I'll go along with it right now. Oh, God. Probably normal to function good. Oh, there's somebody up ahead of us. Oh, these are some ferns. I'm gonna zero in on these ferns a little bit more. Here are some ferns. This is Minnesota. And there's some ferns growing right here. And ferns are considered tropical. So when I first saw it in Minnesota, I was shocked too. Like, whoa, ferns are growing in nature center. It grows in other places in Minnesota too, but I finally get a chance to zero in on the ferns right here in Minnesota. And this is the nature center in Fairboat, Minnesota. So there you go. Yeah. And over here some mushrooms. These are edible when they're fresh. These are not fresh. You probably won't want to eat these now, but when they're still fresh, they're edible. These are mushrooms. Wild mushrooms. I've eaten them before. I'm still alive, so I know they're. Well, everybody's different, so we stay alive. We've eaten them before. We're alive, so we know, and they won't kill you. Okay, Mark is way. Can't even see him in the picture right now, so I'm gonna hurry up. He's way ahead of me, so I'm gonna hurry up. There's a couple people coming by this way, and oh, keeping this. Hi, how are you? Hi. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, this is a big hill. I gotta take my time here. This is gonna. Whoa. Ooh. Oh, Lord. This is a big hill. I gotta take my time going up this hill. Whew. Get my breath going. Whew. Alright. Alright, we're going up. I'm going up the hill. Mark already up the hill. He's almost to the top already. I'm just now starting the same hill. And whew. 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 Oh, I know. Gotta stop and rest a little bit. Wow, this is a big one. Careful.
Yeah, careful walking.
Yeah, I gotta watch my steps now that I'm filming, so I don't trip on these rocks and stuff. Alright, I'm coming up slowly. Coming up slowly. I'll watch where I'm going. I don't trip. I'm almost there. Almost. Alright. Let's take a breather. Yeah. So we still have more to go. We still have to go all the way through there. And that's another way. Never been to that way before. One of these days we take that way, but we'll go this way. Yeah, we'll go this way. This way for now, so I'm gonna take a breather. What this says right here? It says river. I can't read it.
Riverbend Nature Center.
Yeah.
It's a map of the place.
Yeah. Oh God. That says clean water. So we're taking a breather right now. So I'm just gonna look around me, and this is what you can see around me. You see these trees are so thick and so tall. They cover almost everything, but not all together. You can see the sky. See the sky? You can still see the sky. Alright, you can still see the sky. And these trees are very tall and thick. And there's the other trail that goes that way. We're not going that way. We're gonna go that way. And that's where we just came from. We came up this hill. So, taking a breather. And there's Mark. Here. No.
What?
Move over and then you hold it so I can be in a picture. All right.
Could have just handed me a phone.
Yeah. So here I am. Oh, that's Mark. So look, I'm sweating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So am I.
Yeah, you're sweating too. Your nose running too.
I'm sure they wanted to know that.
Yeah. Your nose running. Yeah. When you get ready to leave, you can hand it back to me. I'll film the rest of it. Wow.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Vámonos entonces. We're going. Let us go. Let us go. Vámonos. Let's go. We're going. So, wow, we did a huge loop today. This is the biggest one we have done in a while. We did this one before a long time ago. It's been a while since we did this huge one, so I'm sweating like crazy. Nice shade though, nice shade. Nice shade, so I'm still sweating though. It's not as easy as it looks. We did the hard part, yeah, but we finished with the hard part already, so we finished with the hardest part, so it shouldn't be too bad now. Hear the birds? You hear them?
Yeah.
I don't see them though. I can hear them. Oh, there's another hill. We can go one way or the other. It's up to you which way you want to go. You want to go up the hill or you want to go the other way? Okay, we're going the flat way. We're going this other way. Alright. You just come up one steep hill and that you can feel it real good. And this time we choose the flat way right now. So we don't have to wear ourselves out already more than it was, than we did. Now we have to, since we have choice right now. Okay. This is the old amphitheater. Oh, this is a new one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is the new amphitheater. And the old one is on the other side. That's right. And so they have it all set up. They probably have storytelling and things around here. They got a fire pit. They probably have bonfire. You know, they probably have bonfire and other activities. There's benches. You sit down. You sit around the fire up there. You can sit away from the fire over here. So there you go. And this is a little stream. It's almost dried up. There must be copper in the water. See the color? Look almost like tea. It's probably copper or from some kind of leaves that dried up. So here we continue this way. We came to a slight little incline. And now we're going. Wow. So God is good. Thank you, Jehovah. Thank you, Father God, for everything. Otherwise we wouldn't be alive. Couldn't do nothing without Jehovah self. Alright, I'm going. Mark is already up to the we're going. We're going. I gotta take myself. It's a slight, isn't it? I gotta take my time. This is a slight incline. very slight, but I'm feeling it in my bones. And over there, the trail continues that way. And this is the one we usually take, this black top. But today we didn't take that one. We went all the way around in the big one. So here we just came back from down there. And that's where we just came from the amphitheater. Versus amphitheater. We just came back from that one. That's a new one. And now we're going this way. So there's a bench here. And we almost to the end of the trail. Oh God. Yeah, this was a workout. This was workout. So it's all good. It's all good. So there you go. So yeah. I'm like exhausted from this. Exhausted. This was good. Grateful. We saw a woodpecker on the tree over here one time. You know, see any of that? And you know, and there's other trails that goes around the area. And now we're back to we're almost back to where we started off. Well, we didn't start off this way. We went that way and we came around. So we made a big loop. We made a big circle. So here we went the other way and come all the way around the wrong way. And now, here we are. Here we are. All right, sweetie. I guess we can end it right here. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.